Today I'm showing you in real time how I cream butter and sugar, and I do everything on just speed 1 of my KitchenAid stand mixer. Slow and steady gives you a better texture and more control. So let's get started. I'm using room temperature butter, soft enough to press with a finger but not melted, and regular granulated sugar. Starting with soft butter is key for a smooth mix. I'm mixing everything on speed 1. At first, it's going to look chunky and crumbly, but that's normal, and you don't want to rush this part. As it keeps mixing, you'll notice the butter and sugar slowly starting to come together. It'll get smoother, but it won't be super light just yet, so make sure to be patient. I'm still mixing on speed 1, and you'll start to see the mixture turning lighter in color and even a little fluffier. Even though the speed is slow, it builds a really good texture for your dough or batter. Now the mixture is soft, pale, and creamy. And that's it. Cream butter and sugar, perfectly done at speed 1. Make sure that you follow for more real-time baking tips and cookie basics. Thanks for